Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free Maltese rain boots in Heartopia. So to get these boots, actually is easy. First, just go to tap the globe icon and then just go to the puppy gacha machine, this one. Click on it and then in here you can just gacha on this machine, and in here you can get the chance to get this Maltese rain boots. But first, in here you need to collect the Maltese gacha coins. So to do gacha with this machine, you need these coins, and to get these coins, you need to complete all the daily quests and event quests on here that you can get the gacha coins as a rewards. And after you get enough gacha coins, you can just do the gacha on this machine to get the Maltese rain boot. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.